if we go back to our snippets here, there's another keyword I want us to look at, which is console.log. Console.log. This is telling JavaScript that they should log something in the console. So let's type what we are to log in the console. We can write hello world. And once we run this code, let's clear our console. Clear console. Once we run this code, we can see hello world in the console. So this code is telling JavaScript to log hello world in the console. This console.log is used to debug. It is mainly used by programmers and coders, whilst prompt and alert is used for the user because it pops up in the website, but the console is hidden. It's in the console which the developer is using. Let's talk about JavaScript function. Function is what we use to tell computer to perform a certain task. Let's show you an example. If you want to create a function, you start by writing function, and you will see your system can help you out. You just need to go and click on tab on your keyboard. You will find the place in your keyboard called tab. Then it will help you and finish writing function. Then let's create a function. Then we have to give the function a name. Let's call it name. My own function, I will call it name capture. So I will use camel casing to name my function. You know, the same way you name your variable is the same way you name your function. Camel casing. Then I will have to add the empty bracket, and I'll add the empty bracket. Then I will put a curly braces that opens and closes. Then I'll have to write inside this open curly braces. Then okay, I can write var name, which is equal to prompt. What is your name? Then I can write a second command. Alert. Then our alert name. Then I will also do console.log. So if I have all this code, once I call upon this name with these open braces, then this code inside this function will now run. This code inside this empty curly braces and closing curly braces will now run, and then we'll not put a semicolon outside of the stopping side. You normally write a function just like this way that I've written it. Now if I want to call the function, I will call name capture. Name capture, this is how you call the function. Now let me run it. What is your name? John King. You can see it alerts it, and then it comes in the console. You can see this function have now run. Anytime you want to run this function, you will just call the name of the function, and then it will run. So that's the first part of function. We'll still look into more into function.